Today, we're going to talk about the endangered species in Ciudad del Carmen, Campeche. In this case, the Morlet's crocodile. The swamp crocodile, Crocodiles morellici, measures between 3 to 3.5 meters, and the hatchlings at birth between 25 and 30 centimeters. Its head is flattened and broad. The snout is relatively short and quite rounded at the tip. Its length is 1.5 to 1.7 times the basal weight. Their habitat is marshes, ponds, or wetlands. Main threats. It all started from the expansion of cities and towns in the past. The poor urban planning in the city caused the invasion of the fauna's territory to build their homes near the creek. As a result, the families that live around the creek are the main polluters who discharge their sewage in septic tanks, annihilating the marine species that breed in this creek. Unfortunately, humans have been hunting these reptiles because they are valued for its skin. Exploitation of meat and other organs are also carried out. Even though it is known that it is forbidden, some people do it for fear that the lizard will kill some bacterial animals and even consider a danger to children. However, the reptile only defends its habitat because the population increase and invasion of wetlands causes the reduction of the environment where they live. You may wonder, who is in charge of protecting endangered species? Well, the National Commission of Natural Protected Areas, CONAP, is the institution responsible for safeguarding the most biodiverse areas in Mexico. They are a decentralized organ of the Ministry of Environment and Natural Resources, SEMARNAT, with national coverage. The habitats of endangered species can be protected by improving environmental protection. People should respect the reptiles and birds found in the mangroves of La Caleta, which is their natural habitat. People should report the hunting of specimens to the authorities, since endangering the biological viability of a wild population or species is equivalent to 3 years in prison. Moreover, it can be protected by implementing a strictly controlled ranching protocol for the Crocodiles morellici. It will promote the standardization of ranching procedures for the Morellis crocodile, its sustainable use, and the integration of local communities in conservation with benefits obtained through a fair value chain, which will guide the use of wild population of the Morellis crocodile towards sustainability. It's fundamental to protect the wildlife of our planet since it provides balance and stability to nature's processes. Animals and plants aren't just available for their own sake, they are also part of a wider nature environment that may provide food, water, shelter, and other functions for other wildlife and people. The main consequence of biodiversity loss is a decrease in the quality of life for humans, animals, and plants because the attacks on nature directly impact all of us. When species that are constitute links in the food chains are eliminated, the ecosystems tend to lose their functions, thus producing a butterfly effect that leads to the extinction of other species.